In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OCO orders and breakout strategies with NinjaTrader. Now, to do this, first you want to open your chart trader. So open a chart, so go to New inside the Control Center, and then open your chart. And from here, you want to click on this button up top, which is called Chart Trader, and click on Chart Trader over here, so it actually opens on the right. Then the next thing you have to do is enable OCO mode. So you want to right-click anywhere where there's empty space in the chart trader panel, and you want to make sure that next to OCO order there's a check mark, so click on it and you'll know it's on if this OC in the green top right of your chart window appears. Okay, so that's an indicator it's actually working and currently enabled. Then what you're going to have to do is actually select an ATM strategy, so we can then go here and choose your preferred ATM strategy from the drop down menu, and make sure you actually do this before placing the orders so that your stop loss and profit targets generate automatically upon execution. So I'm just going to go and leave it as none right now, but of course you can go and pick whichever one you want, add a custom one or one you have pre-built already earlier, and then from here you can then go and place the breakout orders. So we can go and right click above the current market price and select buy stop market, like this for example, to set your upside trigger. I'm going to put this one over here, click on
Order
yes,
submitted.
there we go. And then you can also go and right click below the current market price and select sell stop market, or sell stop of course, to set your downside trigger. So I'm going to leave this down here, I'm going to right click, and I'm actually going to click on sell stop market, and I'm going to hit yes.
Order
Okay,
submitted.
there we go. Now, once you've done all that, of course, it's up to you what you do with what prices, what assets, instruments, etc. You can then go and disable the OCO mode. So right click again and then uncheck OCO mode over here. And basically that's going to turn off the green OC. Make sure it actually does it. So subsequent orders do not accidentally link to this group, okay? Now, when either breakout order fills, the opposite pending order cancels automatically. So make sure this actually works. Go ahead and test it inside a simulated account. Currently, as you can see, I am using a simulated account over here. And yeah, I'm just wanted to show you how to kind of do this. I'm not a financial advisor, just trying to do this for informational purposes only, okay? So that's essentially all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out.
Order
If it
canceled.
did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.